Low pressure is in charge and there's some heavy rain on the way. This is your fleeting view from Emwist. Looking at the rainfall sequence in 3-hour steps into Friday, first of all, there's some rain across the far north of Scotland in the early hours, but that will more or less clear away westwards as we get to dawn on Friday, leaving a good day for most of the Highlands. The main action for heavy rain, though, is setting in across the south of Britain, and that's rotating around the centre of low pressure, moving into South and East Wales in particular. The Brecon Beacons likely to see a very wet day with some prolonged heavy falls likely coming in here across more eastern and southern areas. That rain also extending northwards into the Peak District and across into Snowdonia too, where it may well turn heavier as the day goes on. Some uncertainty how far north up the Pennines that rain gets. Patchy rain really is maybe all you see as it stays mostly further south across Wales and central southern England. That system does a rotation onwards into the early hours of Saturday, and a further front, which lies over the North Sea, starts to move into eastern Scotland. That's the pressure chart and shows that we've got strong easterlies across the Pennines and up to gale force northeasterlies across much of Wales, the strongest winds towards the south of Wales. And just to run that sequence onwards through late Friday into early Saturday, it's that same low that will start to push eventually further northwards. Rain across the eastern side of Scotland on Saturday morning starts to become more extensive. A wraparound of rain is still lurking around across Wales and may well push again across the Peak District through the course of Saturday. The risk is of heavy rain setting in pretty widely for many places through Saturday daytime, with some very low cloud mixed in as well. And if we just take the sequence on through the rest of the weekend with some uncertainty of detail given the nature of this area of low pressure, the basic message is that there will be some further prolonged heavy falls of rain around. Some places may escape on Sunday, not too bad, maybe across Pennine areas, but the risk of that heavy rain still being around across Scotland. Eastern mountains likely taking the very heaviest falls, where some localised flooding may well occur. We'll have more details into next week in the full planning outlook on Friday. I'll leave you with that for today. Thanks for watching.